Guys, I'm back again with a set of coins from the princely state of Alwar. Now again, these coins belong to my friend who has kindly lent me his coins for the purpose of making this video on YouTube. Let's quickly go ahead and have a look. Now these are belonging to Victoria Empress, as in the front bust is of Victoria Empress. This is a common bust featuring on the normal British India coins as well, while the reverse is that of specific to Alwar state. So there are not quite many varieties as far as the Alwar state coin is concerned. However, this date over here, it is 1877. In some cases there is an error coin which is also available, wherein the date is incorrectly struck as 1788. So if I were to focus over here, so this is 1877, but in case there are in case of error coins, it's struck as 1788. And there is a variety with this sort of leaf as well, the number of leaves. So numismatists go to a very deep when it comes to researching these coins. For a normal user like me, we normally don't count the number of leaves as such, but they go to great extents. Nonetheless, let's have a quick look. So this is a 1 rupee coin, Alwar, from, as I mentioned, the year is 1877, Alwar state, 1 rupee, and it includes some stuff written in Urdu. This I believe is again 1877, the same coin. Then we have Victoria Empress again on the front obverse, and the reverse is 1882, 1 rupee. The rest of the stuff remains the same, only the date changes. It's Alwar state again. Victoria Empress 1891. So he's got many 1891 series. So if this is the first one, then we have this one over here, 1891 again. This is a nice example, though there is some partial discoloration on the obverse over here. 1891 again. 1891. We have the same coins, then it tends to get a bit monotonous, but these are very rare to get by. And 1891 again. But again, the normal thing goes, as in the normal caveat: don't buy unless you're sure on eBay, because there are many fakes now prevalent on the eBay market. So please be aware. Thank you guys. Goodbye for now.